Hello, my name is David Redekop, and today I want to share with you a new feature in our DNSthingy router called HTTPS-only. It's about better privacy and security. Before I jump into that though, let me quickly take about a minute or less to talk about what HTTP is versus HTTPS, especially nowadays when modern web browsers even take that off of your address bar, so you're not even really sure if it is secure or not. Well, HTTP, let's liken it to a postcard. A postcard, when you send it or receive it, it is viewable by anybody in transit who handles it. That's what HTTP is. On the other hand, HTTPS means the S stands for SSL, or think of it as secure. It is now in a bonded, secured envelope that travels through the hands of various individuals, but it cannot be inspected for its contents and cannot be modified. Now, how our HTTPS only service works is that it's a very simple feature you turn on and off in your dashboard on a per profile basis or a per device basis. So you don't have to have it on everything, but maybe just on key computers that are used for confidential or financial purposes. So you type in a URL or you click on a link, and when the DNSthingy router sees that it is a port 80 call, HTTP standard port, it basically intercepts it, gives you a splash page, and tries to redirect you to the secure site of that same URL. And if it succeeds, you're redirected automatically. Now, here's how it works in action. So you've got this HTTPS only setting that you can turn on. And when you've turned that on, this is basically what you end up if you go to a site like CNN.com that does not have HTTPS or does not have a secure option to view its website. Now, here's a couple of websites that you would likely visit. These are on the Alexa top 100, top 25 or so I went through right away. And these are the ones that had no difficulty. Google in the countries that we tested, Facebook, YouTube, Yahoo, Twitter, Wikipedia, Microsoft Live, Twitter, WordPress, LinkedIn, Blogger, and Tumblr. No problem with any of these going on to HTTPS, to their secure sites. On the other hand, those won't be the only sites you'll be going to, and you'll be going to other sites as well. And I've found no banking site that does not offer HTTPS. In other words, you're going to be completely safe using this feature if the majority of the purposes of a computer is to do online banking, online transactions. Cloud mail services, same thing with Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo. They all support HTTPS. Interestingly enough, we also found sites that did not work with this feature enabled. So, eBay, for example, Amazon, Instagram, these are websites that have SSL, that have HTTPS services. However, as soon as you access them securely, they try to redirect you to the insecure site. I don't know why. We'll have to ask them. And if they don't have any good reasons, then shame on them, because they are actually preventing you from using these sites securely. Amazon, to be fair, at the shop out cart moves you to secure option, just not when you browse their regular store. It does not allow you to do that in a secure fashion. And then in my conversations over the last week or so with nerds around the world, they're asking me, so when should we use it? Or should we use it? And my answer is yes, absolutely. Any computer that runs the risk of potentially being a phishing or identity theft victim, or keystroke loggers, or whatever it may be, those types of computers, it really is worthwhile to protect and take an additional measure. That's where I would use this. I would use it anywhere where confidential transactions, whether it's online filing of personally identifiable information, all of those types of functions should be protected. But I would not put it on entertainment devices. I would not put it on a Roku box, on an Apple TV, or on a PlayStation console, or anything like that. And many apps, if you do apply this profile to mobile devices or tablets, many apps will break as a result. For example, my Twitter feed comes up and works no problem, but the images come in via HTTP, and are not available via HTTPS, and so the images are mostly broken. So those are just some of our experiences so far, but please feel free to experiment, and we look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks very much.